Welcome to the Consulting and Consultation Riches training. Consulting Riches is a step-by-step resource for starting a consulting business and generating big income. This training helps you to start consulting business and be your own boss. This training will help you to discover shocking revelations that consulting gurus don't want you to know. If you order Consulting Riches, you will get 8 training videos of 2 hours 26 minutes and bonuses, including quality training resources, ebooks. In this training, you will understand the meaning of consulting business, the required skills for consulting business, research market and competitor, brainstorm your services, outline your services, consulting website creation, pre-launch and curiosity, and how to market your consulting services. This product, Consulting Riches, has helped several people to start and run their own businesses.